Welcome to our channel. We are the Rolling Drifters. These are our two cats, Gypsy and Hazel. We've been on the road together for a while. Once again, it's time to hit the road. We're leaving St. George, Utah, heading south to Las Vegas, Nevada for a couple of days of fun. There are some things we've been waiting to check out in this town. It's actually a quick and easy drive from St. George to Las Vegas, although worlds apart. As you come out on the other side of this canyon, you find yourself in the Mojave Desert and a totally different culture. Accidentally moved to Vegas with us.
Whoops. He lives in Vegas now.
He wasn't ready to move. Just wrapping up our goods in the back of the truck as we're going in. We got the Airstream here. We're going into this big hotel to have some Vegas kind of fun. And we got all our goods in the back of the truck. So Greg is doing some MacGyver work here. Which one? Girls love a good night in a hotel where they get to watch cat TV. Yeah. Vegas is more than gambling these days. We're here to see the interactive art exhibits that have recently sprung up.
There is nothing to see here. Reports of strange occurrences and weird experiences happening on this site have been greatly exaggerated. You should not trust them.
My bun has a big pouty lip. He forgot his
About to go to Meow, the most insane interactive art exploitation possibly in the country, stone sober.
Sorry, honey. No weed. It all started in 2008, Santa Fe, New Mexico's art scene. A group of anarchists / dumpster divers began a collective, proving that people were hungry for art they could physically explore. The name was chosen by pulling two random words out of a hat during their first meeting. They lived together and scavenged for materials to build these immersive temporary forts. This concept caught on fast. Eventually, they were able to find investors to help them purchase a warehouse where their creativity could run wild. There are no rules or instructions for Meow Wolf. You simply enter and explore. They now have 5 locations, have become a multi-million-dollar entertainment powerhouse. We plan to see them all.
You gotta bleed to know that you're alive and have a soul. But it takes someone to come around to show you how. She's the tear in my heart. I'm alive. She's the tear in my heart. I'm on fire. She's the tear in my heart. Take me higher than I've ever been. The songs on the radio are okay, but my taste in music is your face. And it takes a song to come around to show you how. She's the tear in my heart. I'm alive. She's the tear in my heart. I'm on fire. She's the tear in my heart. Take me higher than I've ever been. Than I've ever been. asleep in my car. I drove the whole time, but that's okay. I'll just avoid the holes so you sleep fine. I'm driving, here I sit, cursing my government for not using my taxes to fill holes with more cement. You fell asleep in my car. I drove the whole time, but that's okay. I'll just avoid the holes so you sleep fine. I'm driving, here I sit, cursing my government for not using my taxes to fill holes with more cement. Sometimes you gotta bleed to know, that you're alive and have a soul, but it takes someone to come around to show you how. She's the tear in my heart. I'm alive, she's the tear in my heart. I'm on fire, she's the tear in my heart. Take me higher than I've ever been. My heart is my armor, she's a tear in my heart. She's a carver, she's a butcher with a smile. Cut me farther than I've ever been.
As a side note, you may have heard the rumors that Vegas is dying and that tourism is down across the board. I would say that as an observation, in early November, things are quieter than they're supposed to be in this town. It really did feel like we had the place to ourselves. Okay, so time to leave Vegas, heading south on the 15 and down and around into the heart of the desert. As a family of desert dwellers, we're used to the high and dry landscapes, but this Mojave desert is new territory for us. We spent the last 5 years living in the Sonoran Desert between Arizona and Sonora, Mexico, where they have the towering saguaro cactus. Here we're seeing a lot more palm trees and, of course, the famous Joshua tree. We rolled into our Harvest Host spot just a little late. As always, a couple of hours behind schedule. It was pitch black, and we really didn't know what our surroundings looked like. We were relieved and impressed when we woke up and saw this beautiful desert oasis. So why go from one desert to another? Well, this particular area has mineral spring water that bubbles from the ground and fills the pools of all the campsites and resorts in a 5-mile radius. The area is called Desert Hot Springs, and it sits just outside of Palm Desert, California. We go from the campsite straight to the Ritz-Carlton.
Yeah, a little bit.
We're just checking out,
It's a polarization of options.
Yeah, we just want to know from one end of the spectrum to the other what's going on around here. And wow, what a property this is. Impressive. Okay, date shakes. This is what you're supposed to have when you're here. Everybody says it, so we're gonna do it. You ready for a date shake?
When I hear the words date shake,
Yeah?
my mind automatically processes shake weight. I don't know how. I don't know why.
It's way better than a shake weight, I
I know
promise.
it's different. I know they're different.
They better be.
So shake weight. Let's get out of here.
Pecan, buttermilk pecan date shake. Just act natural.
Beautiful. That should be no problem.
Sometimes you gotta bleed to know, that you're alive and have a soul, but it takes someone to come around to show you how. She's the tear in my heart. I'm alive. She's the tear in my heart. I'm on fire. She's the tear in my heart. Take me higher than I've ever been. My heart is my armor. She's a tear in my heart. She's a carver. She's a butcher with a smile. Cut me farther than I've ever been. Than I've ever been. Than I've ever been. Oh, than I've ever been. My heart is my armor. She's the tear in my heart. She's a carver. She's a butcher with a smile. Cut me farther than I've ever been.
Overall, we love this part of California. We've never lived here before, and this was kind of a discovery trip to see if this was the place we wanted to spend the bulk of our winter. It looks like it's a winner. We'll be back here again just before Christmas to settle in and spend about 3 months. For now, it's time for us to head back to Tucson, Arizona, check in on our Airbnb, and prepare for our trip south of the border to Puerto Peñasco, Sonora, Mexico.
Hideout, this last one, the one before that, two-nighter. There's never a vending machine. What are you videoing me?
Gypsy's walking Hazel again. Good job, G. Let her go too far. That's right. Stop her in her tracks. This region is BLM land, aka no man's land. There's a growing number of people living a mobile lifestyle in this region using solar panels and lithium battery systems to live off-grid for months at a time. Let us know in the comments, what do you think of this lifestyle? Have you done it? Would you? What does its popularity say about the current state of living in the United States of America? Back to the driveway.
The last stop on the driveway tour, our driveway.
Yeah, for now, right? It's bittersweet dropping the Airstream Dream off at the storage yard where she'll be while we head south of the border to check on life down there in Sonora, Mexico, on the shores of the Sea of Cortez, a beautiful place we discovered a few years back and are lucky enough to get to spend some time there every year.